So the girl came to identify that it is 100 cedis note, 50 cedis too. The coins. I mean, there's the coins. Plus the girl's keys. She identified everything. And this boy did not take a penny from what he saw. He just brought it to the administration.
Amazing.
That's it. I'm telling you. And so this is commendable.
These are students who have found money and have decided to bring the money to the authorities to announce for the owners. Come, this boy especially, the purse that he found. You see, I cannot disclose the amount. But the amount.
I was for him. We are aquaba and the Subi Miss Andoba with the Sax Studios update. And me no be common and come on channel. Every day, who I say we still have such a honest people living in this entire earth. The school called Sawa School, something like that.
Moso offer me Golda, me headmistress or Swedru.
Yeah, headmistress. Every day student via work of her pace. They are New York, the fellow student. I don't know where the guy found it. Now they are now everyone was talking about it. Say the woman will reward the student 20 cedis. It could be say 20 cedis and woman rewarding 20 cedis. If other people say
in my own small way, I have this 20 Ghana for him. Yes, my dear, take this money. Keep it up, okay? Keep it up. Well done. Thank you very much. My dear.
It's canon. I won't find call. Yeah. And some people were saying, say, nowadays, as a student, no one work first class, I don't call. But how comes and how did it happen? Say a young guy who is in the final year, a day student, found the money on the floor and sent it to their headmistress, who the money belongs to. It was like everyone heard this, and it was like, wow. Are we having such honest people living on this earth right now? And it was like, wow. The headmistress even said that she is surprised that a young guy at his age in a final state doing this kind of honesty. Like the guy blows off everyone's mind. It's like, Obia Juni say, it's kind of there, and is Kakasi bin a shame. But I know be a person, video about me who say 200 and something. I did 200 and 200.
So the girl came to identify that it is 100 cedis note, 50 cedis too. The coins. I mean, there's the coins. Plus the girl's keys. She identified everything. And this boy did not take a penny from what he saw. He just brought it to the administration.
Amazing.
That's it. I'm telling you. And so this is commendable. And yes, he found 200. I just dashed him 20 cedis. But then
yes, 11 cedis, something like that. And if I this can the same amount of money no boy, nothing like a peswa and a free so in a ship and on mode if I cross carbon a back. Na headmaster and headmistress Nika saying they say like it's true. We have been in school before. We know how the hassle in school is. Even or young pen crowd for cry, it is hardly for you to give to the person. We need to be a pass or man. But here is the case: this young guy found the money on the floor in a purse. I don't think the guy opened it, but he sent it to the headmistress, and they found the owner of the purse. After giving the money to the person, it was like, wow, the guy is up. Like he did the right and the perfect job. Not to open it, not to took any person from it. But you know one thing, there is one thing that you must understand. Anything that you are doing on this earth, you must to be honest to yourself, and you must go through the truth path. Which now the headmaster is even advertising the guy for any company, anyone who wants someone, an honest person to work with, guy, no? Because the guy has blown off her mind.
But when we are talking of character, he has exhibited it. He's a day student. Could have sent this money to spend it with friends or something, but no. And the mother has testified as well. The mother has testified. And so we are recommending him to anyone who wants an honest person to deal with. But he's in the final year, so he will definitely complete, and then we will see what will happen. Thank you.
Nice one.
It's like, hey, true. You cannot find someone like this right away. Now, as we are talking on this entire earth, maybe you see that young guy, Oko SHS, final year, a day student. Now, yeah, Oko school, almost most of the day students, 80% of them are stubborn boys. I hope you understand. Yeah, if you are stubborn and you are a 10-day student, like now our first card was said, Charlie, that guy has do super marvelous job. And I wish everyone would do the same. I agree with you. If you find the money on the floor, send it back to his owner. Find the owner and give it to him or her. I hope you understand. Don't take something that it doesn't belong to you. Do not take something it does not belong to you. Here is the case. This guy sent the money back, and now it has become a big rumors around the entire world, around the entire nation, around the entire country, that everyone is talking about this guy. How come do we have such an honest guy like this? What?
Na Uba Jeffrey, why ya Zibia? Nina Obruya Adwene Entasedo. Say one. Miss Onya Banokra or Boko. Why ya Zima, Nina, Wabruya Adwene Entasedo. Into Bibi Demino. In fact, honor and a pay assembly. Your friend. Your bona about papa. Me you don't baby said or ya bazaar na day. Ayo, who your mamma mo some cadoya boko, or ya some bonanche, my mamma tasi. In fact, last week, Wednesday.
Wow, a hand of applaud. God bless you, bro. God bless you so much for doing this and to make us feel like we are still part of humanity. And we did. Charlie, God bless you so much, okay? Always can be a cinema. That's it. Cinema. No. Who up there for a channel? Like it broke off my. Hi! Swedru cities at these days found it on the floor. Plus coin, plus pest. You send it back. It's not easy. I'm telling you the truth. It's not easy. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you. Thank you.
Keep it up, okay? Keep it up. Well done. Thank you very much. My dear, you to come. You also have this, You keep it up, because the fact is that some people are stealing. Yes. Some people are busily stealing. And so if they come across the monies, and then they will bring it. These are virtues that we want you to uphold. And so we will